Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this 8P RS3 in for some handling and exhaust system upgrades. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, then you won't miss if our new videos go live. The 8P RS3 is a fantastic car from the factory. However, the exhaust sound really lets it down. And one of the most common things to do on this is to upgrade the exhaust system. So today we're going to be unleashing the 5-cylinder sound with the Milltek catback exhaust system with some Cerakote tips. And what we're going to do is we're going to record the standard exhaust sounds, show you how flat the exhaust note is to begin with, install the Milltek exhaust system, show you what it sounds like before and after. As well as that, we're installing the H&R anti-roll bars. So the anti-roll bars will improve the handling without destroying the great wide quality in these cars. So the next thing is we're going to get the car in the workshop, talk you through the parts, so you see in there. Okay, so we've got the 8P RS3 up on the ramps behind us. We've removed the catback section of the original exhaust and also the rear roll bar, and we're just working on removing the front. But we've got some of the parts out here in front of us we're going to be upgrading it with. So we've got the H&R anti-roll bars and the Milltek catback exhaust with the Cerakote tips. So obviously talking about the exhaust system, so this particular car, it's got a downpipe, then the secondary cats, and then we're basically replacing from the secondary cats onwards. So this part of the exhaust system here connects onto the secondary cats, replaces the center silencers with some upgraded sport silencers from Milltek, and then meets up to the Milltek Sport back box, which is just here, which retains the factory valve control as well. So you still got your valve open and valve close controls, so you can keep it quiet or keep it louder, and then also some nicer looking exhaust tips as well to finish off the rear end aesthetic. So this is going to really improve the tone and also the volume, and we were quite disappointed this morning with how sort of like quiet the car sounds and lacks sort of like tone as well. Obviously these particular cars make great sounds, but just not really in standard form. And then with the anti-roll bars, so what these do is they replace the factory anti-roll bars with some thicker items, and because they're thicker they have a higher spring rate. And what that means is when the car is turning and the car is starting to roll, they come into action and they resist the roll a little bit better. So it doesn't affect the ride quality when you're going in sort of like a straight line down the motorway, all that kind of stuff. So when you're cornering, you really feel the benefit of this. And then when you're going in a straight line, you don't really feel the benefit whatsoever, which is kind of perfect really, because it doesn't destroy any ride quality. You just get a nice increase in performance versus the stock items. So yeah, going to get these parts fitted to the car and then show you what the exhaust sounds like a little bit later on. So let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.